everybody, it's Mr. D in the middle, Mr. D1 at blogspot.com, and I am running a special on multiple license discounts in my TPT store. A lot of people aren't aware that if you buy something at full price, the normal rate for TPT is a 10% discount for multiple licenses. So if you have a second teacher in your building who needs it, or a second teacher in the district who needs it, you guys can purchase and get that discount. Okay, so, or it can be a third or a fourth or a fifth person if you want it for your whole district. The normal discount is 10%, but until July 31st, I'm going to have 50%. So the first one is full price. The second one is 50% off. So I want to show you which items, let me see if I can get this going here, which items are going to be marked this way. It's kind of slow. There we go. All right. It's going to be the Mega plus Distance, which has everything ever created for S Cubed. And the Distance can be used as sub plans this year if you're not doing distance learning, which most people I think are not. And then we've got here the, where is it? Okay. The Mega Bundle has that discount as well. The normal price is there. So the second license would be $184.50. And then I've got the Elementary Bundle, which is perfect for teachers who don't see their kids that often. It's $99 normally, and the second license would be $49.50, I guess, half price. And then we've got the Level 1, which is a full year program. So elementary, it has all the same lessons that all the other bundles that I just mentioned have. It's just that there's only 5 of them since you don't see your kids as much. So I hope that you can use that multiple license discount and organize that before the 31st of July, because that's when it will end. Have a great day.